Okay, right, everybody. So today we are going to be doing I've just brought this all up here. So welcome to the VR world. This is my playground where I'm going to be drawing today's mandala drawing. Today we are going to be doing, now I've brought up these reference images that you can see here. I brought them up already so I can see what the third throat chakra, which is the third one, is this symbol here. As you can see it, I can see it here, and there's a little bit about it as well, so you can read all about while I'm sort of drawing it. I'm going to place these here as well so you can have a little look at those. Now if you've not seen me using Tilt Brush, this is what I'm using in this app. There is a video that I've put up on my show where I'm starting to doing like a journey in the VR world. So I'm going to be doing a lot more art and a lot more drawings, a lot more paintings inside of this app. It's quite a few years old. I've only just recently got hold of it, but I'm going to do as much as I can with it. But the first thing I'm going to be doing is the mandala drawings and my Zentangle ones. I've already done I did the 7th and the 6th ones last week, which were normal. Let me just move this over, which were normal drawing ones. If I can just see where my boundary is. Okay, so yeah, that was the so today's one is going to be the throat chakra. So here we have all about it. 5th chakra is located in the center of the throat, and its affirmation is I speak and I express. So that's probably one down. That's probably one for me, that is. Expression centers, communication, inner voice, speaking from the truth, expression of creativity, arts, music, and willpower. That is all of me. That is there. I talk too much, way too much. Do I talk? Well, I probably don't talk that much actually. I'm pretty much a quiet person. Yeah, all right. And the arts as well. I love my arts, music, all of that sort of thing. And to balancing this chakra helps throat and thyroid, esophagus, trachea, mouth, jaw, teeth, neck, and vertebrae. That probably means a lot more to you than it does to me, but that's one. If you want to do, there's lots of videos. If you want to be balancing your chakras, there's lots of videos on the internet for that sort of thing. But today we're going to be drawing this little pattern here, the throat chakra one here. I'll probably do that one, and it's going to be in the blue color. So let's get down to it. Right. So the first thing we're going to do is let's grab a brush. I'm going to do a couple of circles because there's a couple of circles. What I'm going to do is just bring this one here so I've got something to look at. It's a very easy one to do. So we're going to start off with one circle first. Pop that there. We're going to start off with one circle. We're going to go use that marker tool. And yeah, I think I'll use that brush. Let's make it a bit bigger. First thing we're going to do is a circle. Like so. Alright, what I'm going to do now is select that. I'm going to move that to about, see, we'll move that here, shall we, so we can still see. Let's move that to there. Okay, right. There we have our first circle. What I'm going to do is select it again. So duplicate it. And this one is going to be a smaller one, so we're going to pop that one about there. Looks about right. Just going to check it over. Triangle. love it. Pretty cool that. Okay. There we go. So we're starting that off now. We've got the middle part, and then we're going to start doing the petals now on the side. So we're going to do the petals. So we're going to do one first. Oh no, let's get rid of the... Oh, I'll tell you what I use. Let's use a different brush. Let's use my favourite pinched one. That's it. Very odd that they're changing colours. But yeah, let's try the that's more like it. Yeah, that's more like it. So cool. Let's select it. Select that and that, group them together. Now we can pick them up and we can pop these on here now. Let's move this down. Let's move it small a little bit. Pop it there. Nice. Very nice. Right. And let's there. Nice. Perfect. this looking. I'm just so hoping this comes out. Cool. Beautiful. Placing these now, yeah. That's it. Start like that. These are starting to look really cool. Those look really cool. I'm liking this. Wow, look at that. That is looking so cool. Now we're going to do the writing. Let's make that a little bigger so you can see how it looks. Let's grab a brush. Make it a bit bigger with the text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some things to this as well. So we got yeah, let's group all that. Beautiful. I'm actually going to change the background here. Let's go for a nighttime one. Wow. It looks lovely, doesn't it, at night? Looks like nice and peaceful. Right, I'm going to get rid of These now, we don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that one. No more. We don't need that one. No more. Right. So here we have throat chakra in 3D space. Right, so we've got that. Let's add a few little funky little colours to it, shall we? Let's do It's like it's coming alive now, it is. Come out wave. Dots. How's that looking? Ooh, look too bad. Get rid of them though. Oh no, that's a bit too much there. Have everybody. Throat chakra done in VR. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like if you did, and I'll see you guys next week for another VR experience drawing a mandala. Drawing another mandala pattern. Let's do it. So here we have throat chakra done in VR. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Looking forward to doing another one for you guys. Check it out next week. Thank you all for watching. Peace out.